At Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation, we offer in-house credit improvement services at no cost to our clients. CREDITOOL consists of a team of FCRA certified credit analysts trained to run a what-if simulator and other credit services to help create credit improvement action plans for borrowers. How can CREDITOOL help you? If you do not qualify for a loan, CREDITOOL can assist you by creating an action plan to help you improve your credit. CREDITOOL will assist you if you need to quickly increase your credit score to get the best possible rate and terms for the mortgage you applied for. CREDITOOL can also assist borrowers who need erroneous data fixed in their credit report during the loan process. For experienced analysts who will help you through every step of your credit improvement planning, contact Fairway today.